Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get 50% off and save on AWS exam fee. You will become a AWS certified, AWS certification, and with this certification you will be globally recognized certifications that boost your career, elevate your cloud skill, increase your opportunities. So there is a two types of certification on that they are providing on the 50% off certification level is professional and specialty. That is a generative AI developer professional, solution architect professional, and DevOps engineer professionals. And advanced networking specialty, security specialty. So this certificate you will get a 50% off voucher on this. So we'll go through the step-by-step process on that. So get your AWS certification at a discounted price and celebrate your cloud career. In this video, I'll show you how to purchase and use a AWS certification voucher, helping you save money on your certification journey. So what you will learn, how to get a AWS certification exam voucher, voucher validity and important details, online exams and test center exam of whether you are preparing for the professional or specialty certification, this guide will help you to navigate your exam booking process with confidence. Why AWS certification is that? So validate your cloud skill, increase job opportunities, boost your earning potential, and gain industry level credential. So perfect for the beginner, which is starting with the AWS, IT professional, DevOps engineer, solution architect, developer, and system administrator. So get your AWS exam voucher here. Go through this link. I'll provide you this link on the description. So let me open this link. This is a Pearson, and here you can AWS exam voucher for professional and specialty certification. So instead of $300, you have to pay only $150 for the one voucher. If you go through the multiple vouchers, then price will change. So here production description is the role-based and specialist certification will validate advanced skill and knowledge required to design secure and optimize and modernize application and automate processes on AWS. All the details and learn about the AWS certification exam. You can click here. So here there is a certification is associate and these are the professional certifications. So these are the professional certifications are there. Okay, generative AI, solution architect, DevOps, and specialty certification is there is a networking and security. So all the certificates are there. You can go through the details. And voucher purchase are only used on top taking your exam or the Pearson view. So voucher expire 12 months from the date of purchase. When you will purchase this voucher, it will going to be expired in the 12 months, means 1 year. The exam must be scheduled and take on or before the expiration date of the voucher. The specific expiration date will be sent with the voucher number via email. So all sales exam voucher are final, no expectations. So go through the term and conditions. So that the voucher term and conditions are there. So all voucher purchase are final. So one voucher is redeemed towards the one exam is valid as Pearson view. Okay. So voucher are not transferable, voucher are not refundable, or not non-returnable. Okay. So other details you can go through the term and conditions, all the details, and you can go with the Pearson view privacy policy is there. So here you can 50% off, especially in professional certification voucher, and offer ends on June 30th, 2026, and only valid a retail or ATP level voucher. Go through the other details also. So if you click on the add, so just go to the cart. So here all the price you will see, and if you have an extra coupon code, then you will put here and click on checkout. So you have to for the checkout you have to log in and register, and you have to create your account on the Pearson view. Then only you can go to purchase this one. So all the steps we have done. So in this video, we have learned how to get 50% off on AWS Certification Exam Voucher, how to buy this voucher instead of $300, you have to get it into $150. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belong to their respective owners. So for any copyright concern, you can send me mail on this email address. You can support and follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly as shown in the video. And do you have any question, then drop them into the comment box, and like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.